They always have a last picnic down by the river. Well, this year there was sort of a cold snap, but Clarence, well, he'll deny it, but Clarence likes to be the center of attention. He goes swimming anyway. Everybody's there. He knows we're all watching. And he dives under the water and he bobs up making that monkey face, which gets us all laughing. And then he bobs under again and comes up somewhere else, laughing even harder, which gets us all laughing even harder. And then he doesn't come up. And he doesn't come up. And he doesn't come up. Laughing and choking looked the same on Clarence. He drowned right in front of us. But every time he came up for air, there we were.